Alright, so today's lesson is on translating perimeter word problems into an algebraic equation. So if we have this example here, the perimeter of a rectangle is 30 feet. If the width of the rectangle is 3 feet less than the length, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? And so what we're asking for here is the length and the width.
What's a dimension?
What's a dimension? That's what I just said. We're going to go look for the length and the width. So first thing we do, okay? First thing we do, draw a rectangle. Okay. So the dimensions are the size of this thing. What is the length? What is the width? So that's what we want to know. So let's go back to our problem. If the width of the rectangle is 3 feet less than the length, do we know the width?
Yeah, right.
Oh,
No.
Sure we do.
Yes.
We know what the width is. The width is what?
3 feet.
3 feet less than the length. So do we know the length?
no.
No. So that becomes our variable. That's our unknown, the length. So for the length, what do we put? Put x. So that's step 2. Okay. We define the unknown, and we said our length is going to be our unknown variable x. Okay? Because we don't know what the length is, but we know what the width was. What was the width? 3.
3 less than
3 less than the length.
3 feet less than
the
the
length.
length. So how are we going to write that? 3 less than that. X minus 3. Very good. 3 feet less than the length. The length was x. Okay. So the next thing we do is find the perimeter. Who remembers the definition of perimeter? How do we find that?
Add all sides.
Add all the sides. So we add all these sides together. So if this side is x, what's this side?
X.
If this is x minus 3, this one's x minus 3. And then we just add those up. So x plus x minus 3 plus x plus x minus 3. So step 3. Right? The perimeter equation. So P for perimeter. The perimeter is equal to adding all the sides together. But then you say, hey, wait a minute, Mr. G. Don't we know this? No. No? Oh yeah, we do. What's the perimeter?
30 feet.
30 feet. Very good. So what happens here?
30 equals.
30 equals x
4x
4x minus 6. Solve it, go. Have an answer?
Hey, right here.
What'd you get?
I got 9.
You got correct.
You got. Thank you.
So we see that x is equal to 9. Now is that our answer?
How'd you get 36? Or
You got it,
Right.
30.
that was a negative.
Is that our answer?
Yeah.
No.
No.
What did we ask for?
Dimension.
What are the dimensions of the rectangle? Okay. So the dimensions means length equals width equals. Okay. So after we solve the equation, the last step have to find the dimensions. So what would be the length? The length was x, right? The length is equal to x, and x was 9, so the length is 9. Don't forget your units, it was in feet. What's the width?
6.
How'd you get 6?
Because x was minus 3.
That's right, if you look over here, the width was x minus 3. X is 9, you put in the 9, 9 minus 3, 6. That's it. Oops. Questions on that? No?